What's up, everybody? Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great day so far. I wanted to say morning, but obviously it's not morning for all of you. We're covering cyber again. Bit of bullish momentum. We talked about the possibility of this in the last video, but it was not expected. I mean, the thing is that with cyber, with its huge rally, of course, at the end of August and the beginning of September, what's going to happen is that it's going to be still exposed to spikes up and brief rallies. That just happens. For now, I would not say, like, obviously this is a little bit of a spike, I would call it. I wouldn't say it's a rally. We'll talk about whether it's possible to get a rally for cyber and what would need to happen. We'll talk about what's going on in general, some statistics you actually need to know about. But that's what we'll do. And we'll also talk about the potential of that rally. Where could it go? What's most likely here? Hopefully everything you need to know. That's at least my goal, but that's what we'll do. So before we dive into that, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium training group in which, if I will share a trade of mine, I actually entered cyber as well. So yeah, I'm a profitable trader. I share my own trades in there as signals. There's also a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable. And my trading guide, if that sounds interesting, check it out via the links down in the description or the pinned comment. But now let's get into cyber, more importantly. So cyber itself, like I said, to check out some statistics right now, the volume is actually doing pretty well. And the open interest as well. It basically spiked up in the last, well, what is it? Last 1.5 hours. All right. So that's also what you can see on the 1 hour time frame. That really happened right here. So some big buy orders went into the market. That's why the open interest and the volume spiked up. For now, it's still a spike, and a rally is never built on a spike. All right. It's built on a sustained increase of open interest and volume. So right now, this spike, and you can also see, that's just what you can see on the chart probably at first glance, is that cyber is also at a major resistance level right here. It's a bit difficult to interpret where the resistance exactly lays, but I would argue between 5.5 and 5.7. So that's the resistance we're at right now. If we would really want to see a cyber rally, then the open interest and the volume should increase, but I know most of you don't check that out. So technically, what would need to happen is we would need to see a breakout, I would argue, on the 4 hour time frame above this level right here. So 5.7, preferably even 5.75. If that's possible, if it breaks above that level and then finds support there, then a lot is possible. Like the next resistance level is right here around 6.25, but I would expect it to rally all the way up to 6.5, and then afterwards we'll see again. I mean, in the end, it's crypto. A lot is possible. Now, do I think this is the most likely scenario? No, I don't think so. I mean, right now you cannot see it right. Well, you can see it right here. Here you can see the open interest actually went up, but it also immediately afterwards dropped down. All right, so there's a bit of, it seems there's a bit of an indication that this would just be another spike. A lot is, like I said, it is possible to get that bullish breakout, but I would say it's 50-50 almost. But I would say it's a bit more likely that this is just another spike like we have seen over the last 2 weeks or over the last week and a half, and that, you know, we might test this level a little bit further, 5.5 and 5.75, but that we will not get a bullish breakout, so that the 4 hour candle does not close above 5.75, and that slowly cyber will drop back down to 5.25, then down to $5, and then ultimately, well, depending on Bitcoin, but ultimately probably drop down to 4.5 again on the long term. That might still take some time though. But that's my full take on cyber. Like I said, keep an eye on the volume and the open interest. Those are really great indicators. But for now, and 5.75, of course, technically. But for now, that's my take on cyber. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.